Oka orube kuru imense ya Kenya wika sense ya Uganda omurwanire wekere kyobura igwense imense ya Uganda BWAYE Bw'Obochori Obenene bw'umutinyo mutangani omwako gocha nigamuchire serikali ekoragwa na YOWERI MUSEVENI ase ogo segasegia enseme kwa mere serikali chinga kichiga che campaign ase nkwana yaye BWAYE nigairire buna serikali nigo yaburirie omorembe ase nigo yababuririe omorembe ase babwatani baye bagendera tukubeko byara richiko litari kubwatiwa ase nchira ere yobwene.
We have also quoted the Constitution in case they try to subdue the voice of the people. In case they try to steal the election, the people of Uganda have every right to stand against that. And that is according to Article 29 of the Constitution, which provides that the people of Uganda have every right to protest, to demonstrate non-violently and unarmed. And that is what we call the people of Uganda to do. Museveni, if you know that you're not going to rig the election, why do you intimidate the people of Uganda? Why are you scared about the people of Uganda demonstrating against any vote rigging? So I remind you, old man, you cannot intimidate the people of Uganda because you cannot kill all of them. To the people of Uganda, Uganda is your country. This is your opportunity, and you have to use it. Opportunity is one thing that is ironical, especially to you, the young people. Opportunity is something that you, in most cases, see only in hindsight. In most cases, we only see opportunity after it has passed. And we realize, oh, that was an opportunity. But in opportunity, always in its current state, it seems and appears like a risk. So don't look at this as a risk. Look at it as an opportunity. Opportunity for you to legally, non-violently, and morally stand and assert your right. If we do that as the people of Uganda across the country, we are going to liberate our country, and Uganda will never be the same again. Now, we are heading to Selere. From Selere, we'll come back to Soroti district, and we shall have our final rally in Soroti town. We continue to be disciplined. We continue to be non-violent, although the police and military behaves in an unlawful manner. I encourage all of you to keep your cameras running. Keep your cameras busy because your camera is our biggest asset. I thank you for God and my country. Moving time.